Today I am reviewing the Samsung Galaxy S26. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Samsung Galaxy S26 is the latest flagship Android smartphone for 2026, and it's packed with features designed to make your everyday digital life faster, smarter, and more immersive. This unlocked device comes with a massive 256 gigabytes of storage, providing plenty of space for your photos, videos, apps, and games. It also comes with a $100 Amazon gift card if you pre-order, adding extra value to your purchase. At the heart of the Galaxy S26 is Samsung's most powerful processor yet, engineered for speed, efficiency, and AI-powered tasks. With Galaxy AI built right in, the phone can enhance photos, provide smart suggestions, and automate repetitive tasks so you can focus on what matters most. The AI capabilities include Photo Assist, which lets you enhance your images in seconds, restore details, add objects, or apply new creative styles, all with just a tap or a type. The display on the Galaxy S26 is truly immersive. Its vibrant, high-resolution screen brings videos, games, and photos to life with incredible clarity and brightness. Whether you're watching your favorite shows, browsing social media, or editing content, the large, crisp display ensures every detail is visible and enjoyable. Group selfies and wide shots are easier than ever thanks to the wider front camera, which captures more of the scene so no one is left out. Battery life is another highlight. The Galaxy S26 is designed to last all day, even with heavy usage. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or multitasking with multiple apps, this phone keeps up without slowing down. It also supports fast charging and wireless charging, so you spend less time tethered to an outlet. Samsung has packed in creative tools that let you turn everyday moments into personal experiences. You can create custom wallpapers, special contact photos, invitations, and more, all directly on your device. The Galaxy AI also helps with productivity by giving smart suggestions exactly when you need them, ensuring you stay organized and efficient throughout the day. For audio, the Galaxy S26 pairs beautifully with Galaxy Buds4 Pro, delivering high-res audio that reveals subtle details, from soft reverb to intricate textures. You can also use your earbuds for hands-free translations, making this smartphone perfect for travel or global communication. Security and convenience are fully integrated with Samsung Wallet, allowing you to store debit and credit cards, membership cards, and even boarding passes digitally. This means you can leave your wallet at home while still keeping all your essentials secure and accessible. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S26 unlocked smartphone is a powerhouse of speed, storage, AI capabilities, and immersive viewing. With 256 gigabyte storage, a durable battery, wide-angle cameras, Galaxy AI, and premium display, this phone is designed to enhance every aspect of your mobile life. Whether for productivity, creativity, or entertainment, the Galaxy S26 delivers cutting-edge performance and convenience in a sleek, modern design.